AC DC ampere meter. Answer B. AC DC voltmeter. Answer C. AC motor. Answer A. Alternating current. Answer C. Alternator. Answer C. Auto transformer. Answer B. Battery. Answer C. Bell push. Answer B. Bulb. Answer D. Capacitor. Answer B. Cartridge fuse. Answer B. Chalk. Answer A. Crossed wire. Answer D. DC generator. Answer C. DC motor. Answer D. Delta. Answer B. Direct current. Answer B. Double pole switch. Answer B. Electric fault. Answer A. Energy meter. Answer A. Fan regulator. Answer A. 5 conductor. Answer C. Fixed registers. Answer B. Frequency meter. Answer C. Fuse revariable. Answer B. Galvanometer. Answer C.